Hello, English learners, and welcome back to the English Easy Practice Podcast. I'm Emily.
And I'm Mike.
We're happy you're here with us today. In this podcast, we talk about real, everyday English. We help you learn useful words and phrases for daily life. Today's topic is very special: the power of positive thinking. Change your mindset, change your life. We'll talk about how having a positive attitude can help you learn better, feel better, and do better in life. If you sometimes feel tired, stressed, or worried about learning English, don't worry. We're here to help you stay strong and motivated. This episode will help you in two ways. 1, it will help you practice listening and speaking in English. 2, it will give you motivation to stay positive and never give up. We'll start with a short conversation full of helpful English. Then we'll learn new vocabulary, ask you easy questions, and do shadowing practice together. Let's have fun and learn together. Hi, Mark. Why are you always so happy and motivated?
Because I believe in positive thinking. When I think good thoughts, I feel stronger and learn better.
Really? Does it help with studying?
Yes, if I say I can do this instead of this is too hard, my brain works better. Positive thoughts make learning easier.
But what if I fail?
Failure is just a step to success. Positive people see mistakes as lessons. They try again and improve.
That sounds nice. How can I start?
First, smile more. Then replace negative thoughts with positive ones. Say, I will try my best every day.
Okay, I'll try. Maybe my grades will improve too.
Exactly. A positive mindset changes everything. You'll see success soon.
Thanks, Mark. I feel more hopeful already. Mike, do you believe changing your mindset can change your life?
Yes, I really do. Thinking positively helps you feel better. You become more confident, open to learning, and you don't give up easily.
That's true. I've seen students say, I can't do this, or my English is bad. But when they say, I will try my best, or I'm improving every day, their English improves.
Positive thinking helps your brain stay calm. When you feel good, you remember more, speak more clearly, and learn faster. It's not magic, it's how your mind works.
And it's okay to make mistakes. Positive people don't feel bad when they make mistakes. They just say, that's okay, I'll try again. Let's learn some words from today's conversation. Thoughts, something you think in your mind. Example, I try to think happy thoughts when I feel sad. Replace, to take something away and put something new in its place. Example, I replaced my old phone with a new one. Grades, scores or marks you get in school or on a test. Example, if I study every day, my grades will get better. Mindset, the way you think about things, your attitude. Example, with a positive, now it's time to practice speaking. We'll ask some easy questions. Pause the video and say your answer out loud. 1. Hi, Mark. Why are you always happy and motivated? 2. Was Anna happy and motivated? 3. Who was happy and motivated? 4. Why was Mark happy and motivated? 5. Does Mark think good or bad thoughts? 6. How does Mark feel when he thinks good thoughts? 7. Does positive thinking help with studying? 8. What happens when Mark says, I can do this? 9. What makes learning easier? 10. What is failure according to Mark? 11. What do positive people see mistakes as? 12. How can Anna start thinking positively?